Okay, guys. We're rolling. Keep rolling. Hands up, hands down. Back up. What you gonna do? Okay, anyways. What's this? What do I call this? I call this bullshit. Okay? This is bullshit. Hopefully there's not two mics right now, because if there's two mics, that would sound really, really freaking annoying. So is there scene 4 as audio? Does scene 4 have audio? Whoa. Which scene is the right one? This one. Yeah. Okay, anyways. Let's open up stuff. Get freaking studying. I don't know, guys. I'm mad freaking warm. Might be this, like, freaking hoodie that. I look like giant. Like, it looks like gigantic. Like, it's gigantic. I'm gonna be so embarrassed of this. Tomorrow, when someone watches this, or tonight. I don't know why I feel that. With live streams, I always forget that it's live. Which lesson are we on, guys? I'm afraid we did lesson 2 only. Okay, KMS. If this is an hour long, I'm gonna actually please. Those are really laggy. Let me just unplug it real quick while it loads up. So basically, you just have to figure out which one's which. Okay. So, TN is question mark because we don't know what the term number is. Term 1 is 5. N equals. Wait, is there an R there? I literally can't tell because my phone is here. Yeah, guys, there's like a pretty cool. You can see the bright okay, screen. Number. We don't know the number. D? Well, if it's 135. There is no D, actually, it's R. Well, okay. Well, 2 times 4. 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. Calculate R. R doesn't equal anything because R doesn't exist for the first one. It's not geometric. Exactly. Okay, so equals -3 because it's going to be a positive and then a negative and a negative make another positive. Okay. I get how to do it. I've done it before. Okay, if someone was watching this right now, I'm actually gonna die right now. But I don't think I'll know if people are in the live chat because what is this posture? Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so you guys cannot hear him. Which is not a big deal, to be honest.
And divide it by the previous term, and dividing by 3/8 is and then multiple and then 2 you divide by so on. The 6/8 arithmetic sequences, and times you might be asked to calculate.
Stop taking meeting notes and let ClickUp AI Note Taker do it for you. It allows you to focus on your meetings, not your notes. It captures everything from action items.
So using that formula shouldn't be overly complicated. So here we go. Can we write the simplified T of n expression for the geometric sequences? So
pretty easy. Okay. Well, I thought it was going to be a negative 8, but that wouldn't have made. So r equals 2. So, Tn, which we don't know, is equal to term 1, which is 2 times 2, n minus 1. So, term number is equals to shoot, this part's actually hard.
well, we have 1 plus n minus 1, just and what we're looking at for a simplified expression. Now, in this case, we know when we have two powers with the same bases, we keep the powers and we add the exponents. 1 plus n minus 1, 1 and negative 1 cancel, so this simplifies to just 2n. There's our simplified expression. Write what we can and then simplify it down. So for b, with the last 3.
And we do something, we like make it a multiple.
To the n minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
However, we want all of negative 3 to be the base. Always put a negative base in brackets. So there's what we get for a simplified expression.
No.
As we continue on, we now get to the fractional one. Count or our term 2 has to do with the simple as do watch what those the simple.
geometric. I hate this entire game. Everything else is not that hard. So. So. So yeah. Is it 3 halves?
His video.
What the fuck? Oh shoot, I forgot to make it 6. I was like... It's 4 times -3 to the power 5, so 6 is equal to... What is 3 to the power 5? 243. And then that would make n equal... Well, why would it be... Oh, because it's like the negative version. It's weird. Okay, weird. We gotta figure this out, actually. We have to do this one, okay? My back is probably looking like shit right now, so I'm like, someone's gonna watch this and be like, ew. It better be 24 or 25. I'm just the goat. Find the missing terms. Kill yourself now. Oh my god. Geometric sequences, I swear to god, geometric series are gonna kill me. But at least you kinda just gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. Okay, good. I'm gonna make this the fake T1.
find the information. We can.
That all I had to do? Just you want me to? Okay, can I stop making this chair so?
Trust and check. In this, we know term.
Okay, this one's stupid.
Term 1, Kelvin. We know that that's a 4. R to the 4 is 20. So I'm going first, which I can do by dividing, because it's attached by multiplication. It's 21st, which I can do by dividing, because it's attached by multiplication. So I'm going to divide. That'll leave me with 16 equal to the R4. Well, I need to figure out, what do I multiply by itself 4 times to get 16? Well, that's
Just 4.
times it's just kissing. 2 is 80.
Hmm? Oh, it's like square root, not big. Yeah. I suppose.
Times 2 is 1/6. Let's just have example 4. Same kind of question. Have some.
Term 1 times R to the 162 is equal to 48 R to the 3. 162 divided by 48 is just math bracket 27 over 8. What's the cube root of the answer? 3/2. Is it 3/2? Is it gonna be something you both like?
It's 62. Your actually calculator when you did cube on the left previous, because the calculation with an R previous we have word problems that are actually fairly practical word problems with a lot of these questions. So we have to go be careful, because there's a little bit of thinking involved with these. So what we have to notice
Really? Thinking.
with this question is
Okay, wait.
we're
I kind of want to take this out, but we're not stripping on camera. That would be weird. Actually, can't fuck. It's a hoodie, guys. Don't be weird. It increases times 1.4 times 1.0 0 for, right? Right, guys?
You're looking at the fact that a house
I just did it.
year after year after year. So that's the value of the house after 8 years. Well, again, we have to be careful what we're using, because what do we know? The question, term 2, we're adding it for 1 year. Term 3 is after 2 years. Term 4 is after 3 years. So eventually, after 8 years, which
We'll be on
term
T9.
do we have? So we have 8. Calculate. Point of that. The term that we
It's easy stuff.
Here, so we by 8. We will so the color in whatever.
So 5% change. Okay.
Is color percent. We're so that the colors there only are 5% after. After, so with that, which I
Okay, we got it. Extra video, please.
And then finally, question E.
Like I was still stuck on the first one, even though
Denim was originally designed to be super rigid, and that's not what people need. They need functionality and performance.
Trig is gonna go
Make it
crazy.
simple for you to get dressed and get on with.
Good.
Okay, please. I just want to check if the trig ones are actually not bad. Not.
Day 20-1. Welcome back to the 4th lesson of sequences and series. Some variables were familiar. If you recall, the then can take the way will count. As always, I like to start by writing down
we need the number of terms, but we can just say that's. This is not the right answer.
That series of that makes some of these, but a practice we to follow one later.
Apparently I got it right.
That's the value of the first 7 terms for that series. Breaking my steps down on my calculator. Big formulas, you have to make sure you're following order of ops. Don't just write down what I do. You need to make sure you can do this with your calculator. Question B. Well, question B.
It's just the exact same thing, except.
Event 1. How valid value? Well,
Shit. TIR. Okay.
dots and thousands is calculate. Divide all of
What? Oh shit. You're sorry. What? It's like 163.
figure out formula.
What? I don't know where the hell I got the negative from, bro. This one is.
Do wrong. Oh, my -87. That's just ugly. So that lighted into a little cunt, turned it into a very this now 500. Use
I got the gist of it.
Holding for S and N, because in this case, we're given S and N, but it wants us to find something different.
RTNT. No. Sorry, that was mad weird. Let's check up on the stream. You know, see if we got any visitors on here. That was the chair. See if we have any visitors. Hello, visitors. Is there anybody there? I'm so stupid. I'm just trying to see if anyone's home. Anyone home? That's why everyone has its own. 2 people are watching it. Whom else is out there watching this? Peak Cinema. If your home address looked like a math equation, what would it be? Okay. So, no, I'm just kidding. We're not doing that. I'm not gonna tell you my home address in a math equation, okay? Anywho, you could pick one of these and just like put it in. So 3 times Tn minus term 1, which is what we don't know, over r, which is 3 minus 1, so 605 is equal to, guys, I don't know what 3 times 405 is, my bad. So what the heck do we do? We times 605, no, by 2, which leaves us with 1,215 minus T1. We can add T1, and be left T1 equals 5.
Substituting in and a little bit of algebra. So example 4, a lot of information given to you. In this case,
2 is equal to 2. Should just be 5. Yeah. We can't use that formula, we have to use the other one. So could you please go up for half a second? Watch, Anne's gonna be like 25.
The number of exponent is to guess.
Oh. Where the heck does the times 4 come out of?
5. Rid of that denominator, 56 bracket 5 n minus 1.
Okay, cool.
5. Second term. So term 2 divided by term, you can, times 3x plus.
I kind of just want to start trigonometry. At the same time, I kind of might want to leave it there tomorrow. Plus, I have all these like math books that I can finish right now. A couple pages of. Sure, the questions they exist, but the answers don't fucking exist. So, some of the quadrant angles is angles. Okay. Okay. D16. I have the formula sheet right here. To remember. Cubic method. One part of the question done. N equals 20. So. Ballerina, un cappuccino. SN. 48 is D. I'll be ballerina. You guys want to see something old? We got the let me just plug this into my computer real quick. Fucking floppy disk, ancient time. I am ballerina or cappuccino. Ballerina. So I can't do any of these things. Give it. See if I can do the special triangles all by myself. So this is an equilateral triangle. All sides are 2 long. Each of them are long by 2. So now, what we're going to do is, we're going to put a line down the middle, and it's going to become 1 by 2. And since this is 2, b squared c squared minus 1 squared equals a squared. So times 4 minus 1 is equal to a squared. To the square root of 3. And because it's an equilateral triangle, it's 60 originally. 60 everywhere. But now it's 60 here. And 30 here because we put it in half. For the next one, it's a square. And we have a line through it. Each side is worth 1. The 1 root 2, I think it is. 1 root 2. I think that sounds about right. So two. cheetah. Okay, there we go. So now I just person training. Determine the value of absolute 5 minus 9. Minus cousin. Someone oil it up, please. 4. It's not just like plus. 5 minus 9. -4, so it's just, I'm going to take away 3. So 4 minus 3 plus 4. 5. Okay. So I notice it's plus. What else can I see? So list of my perfect squares. I have it written down. Excuse my language, but what the F is this? I want to see if it captures that sound. It does, and it's really annoying. I'm sorry. Holy shit! That's my slide on keyboard. I'm sorry. 60 plus. Oh my god. Why not? Okay, let's just do. So, so I definitely did something very wrong. I genuinely don't know what I did wrong. Should we re-verify? I'm kind of stupid. I forgot that I had to do. A certain operation. Square. Add them. 13A. Which one check? If I'm correct. B, I guess it's 0 doesn't count. Because if you put square root of 1, is it 1 plus 1 equals 0? No. 3 times 5 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5, so yeah, you just gotta verify it. It's kind of all I want to do for right now today. Probably the hardest part about math is just remembering the triangles and stuff, really. I'm already kind of done with most of my... anything after that. Pretty sure. Fine, and yeah, last night we did the stream a little bit longer. But tonight it's better that we get some good sleep and just make sure that the calculators also loading some banner. Maybe we can finally put up base sequences in series. You know? You know? And we can play on the Nintendo Switch. I'm not buying no Nintendo Switch 2. What a scam. What a scam. So yeah, guys. Hold on. Peace out. Oh wait, no, flipped. No. Anyways. I just want to check the chat one more time, actually. I just want to see. I hate this chair, bro. 14 notifications. Oh shit, that's not a good thing. But this stream looks mad laggy, I'm not gonna lie. Is this what I look like on the live stream? Only in 20? Lock in. Shut up. No, I'm just kidding. Popcorn. I wish I could use the real emojis. So yeah, guys, I am going to sleep now. This is what the live stream looks like, by the way. Pretty cool, pretty cool. But yeah, good night.